From a single cell, a spark of life, a silent miracle begins its rise. Heartbeat whispers in the dark, heaven return before our eyes. Every vein like rivers flow, every breath a sacred sign, a masterpiece we barely know, yet perfectly designed. Bones that carry, eyes that see, a world